Hello kids! Today we are going to talk about the life cycle of the butterfly. Life cycle of a monarch butterfly. It starts with an egg, then it becomes a caterpillar, then it makes a chrysalis, and after it becomes an adult butterfly. But here, once that we have the adult butterfly, we have a problem here. What's the problem that we have? The monarch butterfly lays eggs in milkweed leaves. But we have a problem here. Why? The problem is deforestation. Their habitat is being destroyed. Monarch butterflies cannot find milkweed leaves to lay their eggs because of deforestation. If they don't have the milkweed leaves, they cannot lay eggs. So think about it. How can we help the monarch butterfly to continue their life cycle? Think about it. Thank you.